going further discussion in total expenditure method of index number of last year, past and future, then you have to change the information. So friends, first find out last year, past and future index number. Here unit is given. Friends, remember one thing, unit is given, so price is of rupees 20 kg. So you have to change the price. Here price is given for 40 rupees for 20 kg. So per kg price is 40 by 20 is equal to 2 rupees. So base year 18 price in P0 is equal to 2. You have changed it, so remark it, so you can understand the situation. Second, 10 rupees per kg price. You need not to change it. So 10 rupees as it is. This price is 1000 per quintal. So when quintal is given, you have to divide it by 100 to find out the price for kg. So 1000 by 100 and 10 rupees. 10 rupees. It changed, so please remark it. And last, 24 rupees price of dozen. So dozen is equal to 12 pieces. So you have to divide by 12 pieces. So 24 by 12 is equal to 2. So this is base year price. Now current year price, 2019 current year price, 60 by 20. 60 by 20 is equal to 3. You have changed it, so remark it. 12 rupees per kg. You need not to change the price. So 12. Then 1400 quintal price. So 1400 by 100 is equal to 14. You have changed this, so remark it. And 36 price for dozen, so 36 by 12 pieces, per piece price 3 rupees. So in this example, you have to consider the unit and then find out the price. Now friends, consumption, a quantity. Consumption quantity Q, base year quantity and Q0. Q0 is equal to 2.5 kg. You need not change. Here price is given for kg and quantity is given in gram. So you have to change the gram into kg. To change the gram into kg, you have to divide it by 1000. The 1200 gram by 1000 is equal to 1.2 kg. You change, so remark it. 5 kg, same equal. 15 pieces, you have taken price for pieces, so you have need not change this. Here 3.5. Current year quantity 2000 gram. 2000 gram you have to change. 2000 gram by 1000 is equal to 2 kg. You have taken 2 kg. Then 7.5 and 17.5. Now for last year index number, you have to formula of last year is equal to sigma P1 Q0 by P0 Q0. P1 into Q0. P1 into Q0. P1 into Q0. You have to multiply these two. 2.5 into 3, 7.5. 1.2 into 12, 14.4. 14 5 is 70. And 3 into 15 is equal to 45. Now second, P0 into Q0. So you have to find out P0 Q0. P0 2 into Q0 2.5. 2.5 into 2, 5. 1.2 into 10, 12, 5 into 10, 50, and 15 into 2, 30. So last pair index number is equal to sigma P1 Q0, sigma P1 Q0 136.9 divided by P0 Q0 97 into 100 and 141.30. Second, passes index number is equal to, formula of passing index number is sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So you have to find out P1 into Q0. So P1 into Q1, P1 into Q1 is equal to P1 3, Q1 3.5, 3.5 into 3, 10.5, 12 into 2, 24, 14 into 7.5, 105, and 3 into 17.5, 52.5. The sum of P1 Q1 in sigma P1 Q1 is equal to 192. So here we have to take 192. Then last P0 Q1. So P02 into Q1 3.5 is 7. 10 into 2 20. 10 into 7.5 75. And 75 into 2 is equal to 35. The sum of sigma P0 Q1 is equal to 137. So passes index number 192 by 137 into 100, we will get 114.15. And Fisher's index number is equal to under root of IL into IP. IL 141.13 into IP 140.15. Multiply both this, we will get 19,779.37. Find out the root of this, 140.60. So please note down the example. We will get it all next time. Thank you.